Okay, we're going to start by naming 4 points. So we're going here to the point thing, and we're going to pick 4 points, any 4 points. And now I'm going to connect the 4 points with line segments. And once we've done that, we'll have just any old quadrilateral. And that looks too regular, so I'm going to move that over there. Okay. Next, we want to find the midpoints of the sides. So midpoint and midpoint and midpoint and midpoint. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is connect the midpoints with line segments. Wow, this is looking very square. That's surprising. Okay, and finally, let's see, I wonder if I can shade this in. Let me see if I can shade that in. No, that didn't work. Undo that. Oops. Okay, I guess my shading effort isn't working. I'm not going to worry about that. So our task is to move the original quadrilateral around by dragging one of the vertices so you can see that we can get some really big changes in how this looks depending upon where that is. And I can do that using any of the vertices. Okay, and just to be sure, if I try to move it using one of the midpoints, nothing much happens. So I really can only move the things around in the diagram by moving one of the vertices. So the task is to think about the quadrilateral E, F, G, H, and see if you notice anything about it. That is your job. So let me know if you have thoughts on the subject, and you can do that, I'm not sure where. Maybe send me an email at mathmarsha, mathmarsha @gmail.com. That's it. Thank you.